This source is very valuable for us, providing a very useful information about data science, the machine learning, and analytics. This has helped me to skill my skills, and it helped me to gain the information about all of things, and it is very helpful to build yourself. This is very fast take and very provide very information for us, and it is a very useful course for us to gain the information. I recommended all my friends, colleagues, and classmates and his college friends to join their course and skill up their educations. And my view on this course is it is include all topics regarding data analytics. Then we started from scratch to superhero course, and it is very help us to me gain the information about them, and it is very help us, and it is very useful course. Some important of this course, the people which have not belonged to IT sector, and it help to switch on IT sector. This course provided informations all regarding content that he be take to couldn't be take to sweep their job. It is purify them, and then it divide all section by learning one to one. Firstly gain the introduction about the course, and after we gain the Python learning, we need we are all we knows about fundamental of the Python, and then one Python it cover all topics likely Python. After that it it helped to get the information about all the subject, and it helped to get information about all the subject. After we get the information about science, Power BI, all column are separated. It helps to get all the all the regarding informations, and it help to build your personality. It also be give the Pythons, Excel, and other information about them. SQL will also be provided. SQL queries, understanding all will be included in them. That it is very easy to understand them, and it will help us. Another another benefit of this course is to gain the full information. And let me talk about projects. It includes all major, minor, and AI integrated. AI integrated projects are also be included in them. It is very help us to be gain the informations, and overall it is very useful. It help us to, I have recommended all my friends, colleagues, and college men to get. Or it is also have value for money. It is very value for money, and it is very useful to my suggestion or my friends to join them. It is very value. It is only 40,000, and it is very well. So please join them, and I have been recommending them. Please join, and it provide also a certificate with them. Then it is very useful for you joining a get a job, and it is very useful for the fresher also, guys. So please get them, and I have been suggesting to all you, please get them, and I have also be buy them on watching the video on Instagram, and it is very useful course. Thank you in providing this great